Hey everyone, it's Kyle with Prolux, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use the handheld sprayer with your Prolux CTX. Okay, so these are the things you're going to need: the Prolux CTX, the handheld sprayer, and the tool hose. Make sure you are using the tool hose and not the main electrical hose, since water will be involved. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, vacuum the surface you're going to shampoo or spot clean. Make sure it's all clean and ready to go. And then you're going to want to turn your Prolux CTX into a blower. And to do that, you're going to turn the vacuum around. You have this exhaust cap. Go ahead and take it off. And then you're going to take your tool hose in and connect it to the canister. And then lock it in place. Now that you got a Prolux CTX set up to be a blower, we need to get the handheld sprayer ready by adding water and the cleaning solution of your choice. Alright, so I'll be using Kirby carpet shampoo for this demonstration. Always read the directions to see what you have to do. So with that being said, I'm going to fill the shampoo or the handheld sprayer all with water, then add 3 capfuls of solution to it. Alright, so we got the handheld shampooer filled with water and solution. So now you're going to take your tool hose that's hooked up to the exhaust port on your CTX. You're going to connect it to the larger diameter end on the handheld sprayer, like so. And then you're going to turn your vacuum on to the second speed. And then up top here, there's this little like peephole, or just a little hole. When you're ready to use the handheld sprayer, you're going to place your thumb covering that hole. The system's going to build pressure, and as a result, the solution water will dispense from the handheld sprayer. So I will show you guys that now. So that's how you use the handheld sprayer, depending on the type of solution you have and the directions. You may have to wait for the solution to dry completely, and then you go over it and you vacuum everything off. But like I said, it all depends on the type of solution or carpet cleaner or upholstery cleaner or whatever you're using. So just follow the directions and you're good to go. But that is a quick demonstration on how to use the Prolux handheld sprayer with your CTX. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at service@proluxcleaners.com. I'm Kyle with Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.